Hi, this is Erica with OurChurch.com. Let me show you how easy it is to sign up and build a website using our WP Easy Website Builder. It's WordPress made easy. So to begin, we're just going to press Get Started and build a website. You have 3 different options to choose from: bronze, silver, and gold, and 3 different ways to pay. So let's choose monthly. Look how affordable the prices are. For monthly, you can choose $8.95 for bronze, $11.95 for silver, $15.95 for gold. And gold gets you 45 gigs of storage, plus a PayPal shopping cart. So let's just choose bronze for now. We'll just select. Now we need to choose our domain name. So I'm going to just choose an easy one for just our demonstration purposes. You can choose .com, .net, or others. Let's check and see if that domain name is available. Hey, look, it's available. So we just press continue. And look, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you the great news. Right now, we're having a half off your first order sale. So look, our domain name and our bronze hosting is only $28.92. Now, this next page is where you're going to fill out all of your personal information, your name, address, credit card information. So that's why it's blurred out on this page. I already have some information on there. But it's just as easy as filling out any other form that you would fill out to make a purchase online. And it goes really quickly. And then you'd move on to the very next step after you've completed your purchase. And so once our purchase is complete, there's our order number. You'll receive an email telling you that you've made a purchase. It'll welcome you, send you a congratulations message. And so now on to our next step, building our website. So on this page, we're just going to put out our website name, a description of our website, and don't forget to put the footer, your contact information in the footer. This is the information that people will see in the footer when they go to your website. If you're a church, this is very important. You want people to be able to contact the church. So now we choose our theme, and look at all the great themes we have to choose from. These are all church themes because we chose church on that previous page. This is our new grow theme, and here's our new fluid theme. Let's choose this one. We can preview it. And it comes in 4 different colors: the blue, green, a red, and a yellow. And it even has the plan your visit page already built into the theme. Now we're just going to select this theme. And now our library is being built with all this sample data added to our theme. So all we're going to have to do is switch out all the sample data that's in the theme. We'll switch out all the information for our information, photos and videos for our photos and videos, and it's just as easy as that. So, look, it's already built. So now we can go on to the training courses if we want, but I've already taken them. So let's just go to build our website. So here's the front page of our site. Our WP Easy 2.0 theme is active. And so if we just scroll down to the page here, click on admin, and this will lead us to our welcome page. And then we just click on the WP Easy admin for the website we're working on. And so now we're at our dashboard. So now we need to activate a few things. We need to activate our calendar, our social media icons. You can even activate a Facebook feed. So all we have to do is push the buttons or that calendar, and then we'll push our social media buttons to activate those. And then let's do our Facebook feed in case we want to add that later. And so now, once we're done activating all those plugins, now we can add media to our library. So media, we go over to media, then library, we're going to go add new. And so now we're going to select files. And this is just going to take me to a folder on my computer. So wherever you have your media stored on your computer, that's where you want to navigate to. Select all the files, then open, and look, they automatically just start uploading into your library. And so now you can copy the URL to the clipboard whenever you want to put a video or a photo on your website. And you'll see where that comes in handy in a little bit. So now, next, let's go to the top of the page and click on the little house. And now, here's where it all begins. Let's begin by clicking on the page builder at the top. And now we're in our editor mode. So now we're just going to click on the little wrench at the very top here so that we can edit this section right here where the video is playing. So we're just going to go to row settings. And what we want to do is scroll down to where we see the video URL. And we're just going to paste our URL. We got this from our media library. So any media that you put in your library will have a URL. So we just went back into our media library and grabbed the URL because we already uploaded a bunch of images and videos in our media library. So I just paste that there and press save. And now here's that guitar. So let's see what's next. Oh, let's edit this section here. We need to exchange this information because that's not where our church is. So let's click on the little wrench. And now we're gonna leave the information there because our church starts at 11. So I'm just gonna change the address. So let's see. I'm going to, instead of copy and paste this time, I'm gonna type it out because I want to keep that same formatting that's already there. So I'm just gonna type out the address to our church. And let's see, there we have it. Oh, and don't forget the zip code. We want people to know exactly where to come to church. Now we press save, and there we have it. So now let's click on the little wrench to exchange our video for this one. So again, I just went to our YouTube channel, my church's YouTube channel, grabbed the video that I wanted, and there it is. Took the share code and pasted it. Now let's exchange this photo. We're going to remove. Again, we're just continuously clicking on a little wrench. And here's the Smith family from our church. And so let's see. We're going to exchange the name. And this is where you can put your own personalized message. But for our demonstration purposes, I'm just going to leave what we have here. Now let's see. We can't see everyone in the photo. So let's click the wrench again. Let's go into style. And instead of portrait, this time we're going to press, square. So now everyone's in the photo. So now again, we need to go to general, click on the little wrench. We need to exchange Anytown Church for Faith Church. That's the name of our church. And let's see what else. Oh, we need to change this photo. So we're going to go into the row settings. Column settings, that is, remove this photo, select the photo. Again, I've already placed photos in my media library. So we're going to press save. There we have it. And so again, let's make sure we put Wesley Chapel campus because that's where our church is. And let's see. Let's go down to this one. Click the little wrench. Now we need to make sure we exchange these links for our own links. So let's see. Let's copy the link from our social media pages and paste it right there. And so you just need to click on the little link. Then you want to click on the blue arrow. And what you see me doing now, what's taking a little bit of time, is I'm going over on my other screen to my social media platform to grab the URL. And so now I'm pasting it and then click the little arrow and then we're done. You know what I did? That was the link to our YouTube page, but I put it on our Facebook link. Wait a minute. Let's see. We don't have Facebook at our church, so we can just take that out if we want. So let's just highlight the text and backspace. There we have it. So now let's put that URL from our YouTube page. So wait, let's see. Okay, let's click on the pencil and let's paste. There it is. And then click on the little arrow and then save. Now that will lead you to our church's YouTube page. And so let's see. You want to make sure you change out any stock images that we have. This image is okay. So let's see. Test drive. Okay, we want to make sure we change Anytown to Faith Church. Good. Save. Now we need to change these videos because these are just the sample videos. And these are just a few videos that tell you how to do a few things on our website. So I'm just clicking on the little wrench. Again, you see me going over to my other screen where I'm grabbing the embed code from my YouTube channel. And then again, clicking on the little wrench. Again, grabbing the embed code from my YouTube channel and Control V to paste, save, and now look, it's our church's videos instead. So now we want to make sure we do our church's address. So I'm just going over to my other screen and copying and pasting the address from my church and save. There you have it. And so now that map takes you to my church. And look, we push done, publish, and now we have a front page to our website in just a matter of minutes. Let's go to the About page. We click on the About page, and then now we're going to click on Page Builder again, which will put us in our editor mode. Let's change this photo for one of ours. So we just press remove. Let's choose this one. I love this one. Pastor greeting everyone at the door. Now we're going to take this little wrench. We're going to make sure we put our church, and then let me copy and paste a little something that my pastor gave me. And we're just going to paste it here. Control V on a Windows computer. We'll paste. And so that's what I'm doing there. Oops, wait. Make sure I select it. Control V and save. And now, look, we have information from my church. And so now let's see. Let's scroll down to the next part. So let's see. This section here, we're going to click on the little wrench again. And then we're going to remove and then select. Let's grab one from our media file, our media library, that is. And let's see. This is okay for now for our demonstration purposes, but you want to make sure that you get something from your pastor. Or if you're the pastor, you want to write something there. So now let's see. Again, I'm going to grab, copy, and paste information that my pastor gave me. Control V, and there we have it. Save. Now let's change this photo for a photo of pastor and his family. I don't have one, so we'll just throw this family on right now. We'll pretend that's the pastor and his wife. And so there you have it. Done and published. And now we have a complete About page. Now let's go to our Contact page. Then again, we're going to go into Page Builder. And now what we want to change on this page is we want to change this map. Now, let's see. Again, all we need to do is paste our church's address right here. Now, that image behind this photo actually happens to be an image of Tampa. So I'm just going to leave that because it goes with the area that we live in. But if you wanted to change it, all you'd have to do is hit the little wrench and then edit. So now let's go to our Plan Your Visit page and then again in our Page Builder. And let's go from the top down, just like the other pages. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we're in our Page Builder. And then we want to exchange this video. Again, I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel, grab a video that Pastor already recorded, and paste the embed code. And that's our video. So now our church starts at 11, so that's good. So let's see. Oh, I need to change this to Faith Church. Make sure it's the right name. The rest of this information is good, but you can change it if you wanted to. But for now, for our purposes, it's okay. Oh no, look, I forgot. We should have changed Pastor Peter. That's not my pastor's name. So you want to make sure you go through and change all the information. So now again, for the service times, our church starts at 11. So we want to make sure we change that. And then we want to grab our church's address. I'm going to paste it right there. I'm going to make sure it lines up nicely. Put that on the second page. Oh, need to highlight it. Center it. It's that easy. You just click center. Now I'm going to exchange this for our church's phone number. So again, I'm just copying information that the pastor gave me. It's really just that easy. So again, I'm going to make sure it lines up nice. And then we're going to press save. I probably could have put a space in there, but you get the point. Let's see. Plan your visit. Find your purpose. Okay, that's okay. So here's where we need to exchange this information. We want to, again, make sure you don't make the mistake I did and left Pastor Peter's name there. But we want to make sure we exchange. Again, I'm just copying and pasting. It's that simple. we're just going to highlight the information that's here. Make sure we grab all of it and paste the information my pastor gave me. Again, click on the little wrench, select a photo. This time let's find a proper photo. There, we uploaded it. Select photo. There, that's pastor and his family. Save. This next section here, let's see. Our church starts at 11. So I should change that along with the address. So again, I'm just going to type in the address this time because I don't want to mess up the formatting that's here. So forgive my typing here. It's a little slow and sometimes. So there you have it. I'm going to put the city, the state, and don't forget the zip code because we want people to come and visit. Save. So there you have it. I forgot to change the time. We go to church at 11. There you go. That's better. So then now let's see. Let's find a photo of our actual church. You want to be careful to not really leave stock photos on your website because you want your website to be your website. You don't want it to be obvious that you use stock photos. So again, I'm just uploading a photo here. It takes a little time. There you go. Select photo. It's that easy. Save. And there's Terrell doing the children's message. So that's a photo from our actual church. And so now, again, what else do we have on this page? Our map. There's a lot of maps on our website because we want people to come to our church. So there's nothing wrong with making sure you have lots of maps. You want people to come to your church and you want them to know how to get there. So a map is an easy way to do it. And so again, we're just going to copy, paste our address, save. We're done. Done. Publish. And just like that, in no time at all, we have a full website. Oh, wait, look at this photo. Let's go back into our page builder. Not the photo, the video. That videos. Let's center. There we go. We want it to line up. Now done and publish. And that's what it should look like. There you have it. And in less than 16 minutes, we have built our church a whole website. Isn't that great? It's just that easy using our WP Easy website builder. It's WordPress made easy. Why don't you give it a try? Remember, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and right now we have half off special of your first purchase.